So this is my unboxing video of this pet fountain, and it's from Ownpets. It's an automatic electronic cat drinking water fountain. Can be used for small dogs as well. Let's see, I'll take everything out of the box. And there's the AC adapter, which is low consumption. It's 3.5 watts. And everything is wrapped up nice and neat in the cellophane. We've got 2 carbon filters, the owner's manual, the sponge, and of course all the parts for the fountain. Several years ago I had a fountain and my cats absolutely loved it. As you can see here, it's all put together. Nice flowing water. And the cats are checking it out. So, check out the details in the video and on my blog so you can read more about it. And if you're looking for a fountain, I definitely recommend this one.